It's proven that rosemary stimulate the hair growth. It also give healthy scalp, contain antioxidant. Rosemary is not effective for hair fall. It only affects the length of the hair, but use rosemary with other ingredient may help in hair fall. Get longer, shiner and thicker hair with rosemary. In this video, I'm going to use rosemary with fenugreek, which is effective for hair fall. Use rosemary for hair length and fenugreek for hair fall. Take 2 tablespoons of rosemary and 2 of fenugreek, soak for overnight. Simmer on low flame for 10 minutes. Stain and use spray bottle for this. Spray and massage the hair. You will see visible result in length soon.